Leicester Square substation was built in the late 80s. It was actually opened by Her Majesty the Queen in 1991. Since then, it's been supplying reliable, continuous electricity to the homes and businesses here in the square. 30 years later, it's time to upgrade some of the plant that we have inside the substation, hence the Leicester Square project.
This project is replacing 3 electrical transformers which are going to provide up to 40 years integrity for the network, replacing the previous transformers which have expended their lifespan.
The hoarding is very much the face of our project, and it's how we communicate with the public about what's going on inside the site. We're here for around 2 years now, so we wanted to celebrate where we are with this beautiful hoarding design that we have installed.
So the hoarding design is led by the Leicester Square brand, and then it's supported by the UKPN brand through subtle messaging such as powered by. We wanted to show the idea of connectivity and partnership. Everything in the design is connected by electrical lines, and that comes out in illuminated headlines as well in some sections.
We included wayfinding so that the members of public can find all the restaurants that they know and love. We also use the hoarding to be able to update our monthly newsletter, which has all the communications about the project.
We worked with all of the stakeholders, Westminster City Council, who've been fantastic, with UKPN, with Society London Theatre. It was very important for us to ensure that Leicester Square looked like it was open for business and still trading throughout the time that the UK Power Networks project was taking place, and I think that's been really successfully done. The level of investment and time and effort that's gone into making sure the hoardings look great it's been a fantastic result. You've also got QR codes around the hoarding where consumers can scan with their phones, and then that takes them directly to some really great offers from local businesses, and they can go in and redeem those offers.
We run the iconic TKTS booth in the Clock Tower building in Leicester Square, so we've been working very closely with UK Power Networks because we've had to close the booth while this work's being done to find a temporary new place to put the fabulous TKTS booth and be able to sell theatre tickets. I'm thrilled that because of this partnership, we've been able to actually finally make it into the actual Leicester Square gardens. So we're going to be opening a temporary structure just behind me in the heart of Leicester Square opposite the fountain. UK Power Networks have created a design that really celebrates what's so good about the square. In its bold colours, in its messaging, it really encapsulates all the different stories and all the different businesses that are happening in the heart of Leicester Square. And I think all of this is powered by UK Power Networks, it's powered by electricity, it's powered by these transformers. So I think it's a brilliant narrative, and it's been really wonderful to be part of that process.
Our M&E department has contributed towards the hoarding insofar as we have installed the electrical supply for the emergency lights and the outside hoarding lights that you can see are on at the moment. I've not seen such a focus on the hoarding on any of our previous projects, but it's paid off. Our team on site here, we think this is the best hoarding we've ever had. It looks great and we really approve of it.
I think it's really great that actually UK Power Networks has done something like this, because their actual job is what's inside that hoarding, and they spent a lot of time and effort putting this together to make sure that it's as little disruption as possible, and they've got something here that looks fantastic for everybody.
I've been walking by and lots of people have been taking selfies as well, which makes me very happy.